What's going on, guys? Johnny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. Today we are going to be cleaning these dusty cactus Air Max 270s that you can see Pops got super dusty. I guess you can say that's beyond dusty because there's a lot of stains on here that we're going to get out today. I'm super excited to get this video started, so let's go. So today, guys, we're gonna be using our advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and our sneaker laundry detergent that is available at reshoevn8er.com. So first step, guys, is picking which shoe I'm gonna clean, which I'm gonna go ahead and do the right shoe, put the left one to the side, grab our adjustable shoe trees, adjust it to the proper size, insert it into the shoe, and remove the laces. Now that the laces are removed, guys, our next step is to grab our 4-ounce bottle of solution, pour 2 small squirts into our bowl of water, or drop the bowl, and then start beginning the cleaning with our soft bristle brush. Alright, guys, one quick tip I want to give you: anytime you're cleaning any knitted material, you always want to start with our soft bristle brush. This isn't going to snag any of that prime knit, fly knit material. This is really safe to use on all those, so always start with the soft bristle brush. Towel. Thank you. All right, guys, after wiping them down, I do notice that we still have a few deeper stains in the knitted material and here on the lace hoops. As you can see, we're gonna go ahead and grab our all-purpose brush. I'm gonna go very gentle because I don't know if it's gonna snag it. I highly doubt it, but I'm gonna be gentle at first, and if there's no snagging, then I'm good to just go ahead at it. Alright, guys, so that stain is very stubborn. As you can see, I've only got some of it out, but I just want to say that this all-purpose brush is not snagging any of the material. So as you can see, you can go as hard as you want, and it's not going to fray it at all. It doesn't snag, none of that. So I'm going to try my best to get as much as possible out, but once I have my desired result, hopefully the laundry system will go ahead and take care of the rest of it. All right, guys, I think I'm done with the uppers. I'm gonna go ahead and use the same all-purpose brush on the midsoles, and then I'm gonna move on to the outsoles using our stiff bristle brush.
Check it.
Hey, Aaron, wanna know a fun fact?
Not really.
Well, I'm gonna tell you one anyways. Did you know it takes a cactus about 100 years to grow an arm?
I didn't.
Well, now you know. All right, I think the outsoles are looking good. Next step, guys, is to grab our laces, dip them in your bowl of solution and water mix, just like so. Go ahead and just rub them between your hands. Try to get them all cleaned up. The solution's not good. Cool, now the laces are done, I'm gonna go ahead and just toss them in the shoe like that. Grab our laundry bag. Gonna leave the shoe trees in the shoe. I know that's a question we get a lot as well. Put the shoe in the laundry bag, seal it, lock it, both sides. Let's go put these in the wash. Thank you. All right, guys, so like I said, the next step is to put them in the wash. Just take the shoe like so, toss it in there, grab your sneaker laundry detergent that is available at reshoevn8er.com, loosen the cap. Okay, I think we need a new bottle here, Aaron. What do you think?
I think we're good.
Well, go ahead and pour it in there like so. This will be good. Seen better days. Go ahead and just toss that. All right, close it up. Turn it on. You want to make sure you use small cycle if you're only washing one. Cold water, normal cycle, that should be fine. Hit the start button, and we'll be back in 42 minutes. All right, guys, we are back. We went ahead and let these dry overnight, and as you can see, they came out super, super crispy. One thing I do want to point out, guys, is this little lace hoop right here. It's still a little stained. I don't know if Steve may have kicked like a tire or something, but it didn't want to come off. I'm sure if I would have used one more wash, it would have came off completely. But go ahead and check out that shoe, guys. It is amazing. I'm sure Aaron's gonna hit you with some beautiful B-roll shots sometime after this speech that I'm giving. But yo, Reshoevn8er is the truth. Don't forget, guys, we did that using our advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and our sneaker laundry detergent that is available at reshoevn8er.com. Guys, make sure you check out this past Monday's video with Vic, because we are doing a video promotion. Is it promotion with Sneaker Inc., right, Aaron? Contest. I don't really know. But if you want to find out, go ahead and make sure you watch that video on Monday. Vic's little come up video, super dope. Also, don't forget, guys, to sign up for our Yeezy raffle that we're doing every single month this year. We're on month number 5. Make sure you guys go sign up now, because month number 5 is a lucky one. It's my birthday, guys. My birthday just passed on Tuesday, so shout out to your boy. Go ahead, Aaron, hit me with some claps real quick. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys again for getting us to 500K. We're almost at 530. So shout out to all the subscribers. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell. That's it, guys. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I'll see you guys in the next one.